Afro Spider-Man and the Benz problem. Allegedly, Mr. Big Smoke Pelukoboko, aka Portable, acquired a Benz on credit or part payment.
60 million.
Mr. Portable was unable or capable to pay the balance of the Benz.
Tolo na agreement àjọ ṣe. Ó ní agreement tàjọ ṣe. So ẹ tó ní mọ́tò ti fẹ́ fún lé ayé mi pa. Ó tó time tí ma lọ sọ fún pé mọ́tò yẹn ló wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ yẹn o. Ó dàbò tó time tí ma sọ pé mọ́tò yẹn ló wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ yẹn o. Ogbó mi sọ de tó, mo de ti pọ́n ele tó. Mo de pé ogo pọ́n mi lé o Mike business mi kó grumble.
The car dealer brought police to retrieve the car or the money. Mr. Portable flies fence. Street credibility 100%. What does the law say? Nigerian Police, come closer. Debt is a civil case. Owing money is not a crime in Nigeria. Onígbèsè is not a criminal. Police is not a debt recovery agent. The only time the police has jurisdiction in a case of somebody is owing money or nobody is owing money is if there's a case of threat to life or fraud involved. Section 32, into 2 of the Police Act 2020, a person shall not be arrested merely on a civil wrong or breach of contract. It is illegal, unconstitutional, unofficial for police to arrest a debtor for money they owe a creditor. And these are not just my words. They are the decisions of the Supreme Court of Nigeria in EFCC vs. Diamond Bank PLC, Petro Continental vs. Peter Okpara, Kure vs. Commissioner of Police. If somebody is owing you money and they refuse to pay, you go to court, straight to court, not police station. The court has jurisdiction over civil matters and contractual disputes. The police has no business whatsoever. Some of you have already made the police some time to forget their job. It's only Parana they have not used police for in this country. Some of you have turned them to everything. The Nigerian police is part of the dignity of this country. Sometimes they might forget their job. They are humans. It's your duty. You and I will remind them. Before anybody borrows money from you, before you lend out money to that person, no matter how touching their story is, draw a contract with them, stating how much you want to give them, the day they will refund and return the money, is interest involved, and they must have a guarantor. If they refuse to pay, you sue them to court based on that contract. So before you give that person money on loan, do you have money for court case? If not, tell them you don't have. God will give manna from heaven. But don't forget, every contractual issues in Nigeria, simple contracts, has expiry date of 6 years. It's called statute of limitation. If you don't agree with me, read Limitations of Actions Act. After 6 years, your money, the guarantor, the debtor, the gbese, everybody is gone. The only way the contract will not expire in 6 years is if it was by deed. That is 12 years. Or the person that did the contract said that when they were doing the contract, they didn't know what they were doing. They were of sound mind. Maybe, for example, now they just discharged them from Yaba left, so they didn't even know what they were doing. Or the person said, I'm not up to 18. I was just lying to you. I was 17 that time. Or the person said there was an error when they were doing the contract. Apart from that, after 6 years, simple contracts in Nigeria will expire and you will lose money. You will lose money. You will lose money. I hope you know, before you lend money, before they borrow money from you, there must be evidence that they are borrowing money from you. Or else, anything they use mouth to say, they will use mouth to deny it too. And you know, say if evidence no dey, finish it yourself. In case you are owing somebody money, then police comes to arrest you. What should you do? Don't fight, don't resist arrest, and don't jump fence. Simply call your lawyer, follow them, and your lawyer will bail you out. Now, what is the job of Nigerian police? Among other things, Section 4 of the Police Act of 2020, the job of Nigerian police primarily is to prevent and detect crime, protect the rights and freedom of every person in Nigeria in accordance to the Constitution. I even heard that police used to do something that they will come and arrest somebody in lieu. For what do I mean? They will say they came to arrest Jide, but because Jide is not around, they now make Jide's mother. They will not arrest Jide's mother. That when Jide comes, if he comes to police station, they will release his mother. Is it checked by Bata? So you are using life to redeem life. That is against the law. Section 36 of the Police Act, a person shall not be arrested in place of a suspect. Simply means if you don't find the suspect, you cannot arrest their friend, relative, family member, even their parents. What is going on in this country? What what does the law say? It is illegal for the police to arrest Onigbese in Nigeria. Onigbese is not a criminal.
I mean, for Luton, Namushi side. Yeah, I mean, I work for moto. I mean, get moto for a year. Yeah,
now you get moto.
Yeah, now no girlfriend, no anything. Only no cars, no cars. You don't have to talk about that in Nigeria. What the bag in Nigeria? You are more. One Obelese. I don't know if you are Jawa. Obelese, I don't know if you are Jawa now. I want to go. Obelese. Obelese. Oh, all of you are Jawa. I want to go.
Who be Obelese?
Who be na government now?
You say somebody they chop.
Na bank.
Okay, CBN governor.
CBN governor.
What you call his name?
What you call his name? Obelese. Na Obelese. Nigeria they suffer well. And they suffer well. Now Obelese they collect money and they hide your money. No give out money everybody. POS. Na 5,000 they collect 1,000. POS. Na 5,000 they collect 1,000. Na suffer Nigeria. Na suffer. Na suffer be this. Anything they add, anything they scarce. Please, I just money, I just anywhere, I just anything, I just food, no water, no anything. Nigeria go suffer well, no lights. 5 liters na 2,000 naira from Nigeria. Na 800 before, and they buy 2,000 for 5 liters. Na suffer Nigeria. I will suffer well. I beg na government. I beg the government. Adjust anything. Cool down. Adjust. Please. I go beg you. Adjust anything. No, anything. Cool down. Anything. Water. Anything. Anybody supply.
If you chop Nigeria president now, what you go do to change Nigeria?
Even I mean, take government.
No, make it. Free him. I dey feel you. Incoming president.
I mean, they follow government. Anything they supply. Everybody that they surplus. Anything go surplus. Even I mean they take government, I swear, anything go surplus.
Wetin go surplus?
Fuel, it go surplus. Lights, it go surplus. Water, it go surplus. I swear. Food go surplus. Anything go surplus. House, they go surplus. No katika, no anything. Katika, they collect 100,000 for you to call house. County katika, they collect 30,000, 100,000. For this money.
Come back to me now. Are you ready now?
Torí much of English, èmi ò like ẹ̀. Ó máa ń bẹ̀ bí jẹ́ torí pé street ìgboro làwa o àwa dẹ̀ ti gbọ́n ojú Èkó àwa là ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ Èkó gan ti rọ̀ kan.
Fellow my Nigerian people, great Nigerian people. My mind to tell you people be say Sapa dey outside. The person wey get money, he no fit use the money do the thing wey he wan use am do.